Congratulations on finishing your first week of the challenge to master JewelKitPro. You're making amazing progress with your designs. In today's tutorial, I show you one of JewelKitPro's most powerful features, the ability to instantly show your customers how their piece would look on their body. Yesterday, we explored the virtual try-on. Today, we're taking it a step further with a live try-on tutorial.
In this worksheet, you'll find some of the previous pieces you've created in this challenge, like the ruby ring, the charm necklace, a diamond stud, the piercing, and the diamond ring. Now let's try them on. Go to the Actions menu, Add, Take a picture, and snap the picture of the part you want to try your jewelry on. I will take a picture of my hand, then click Use Photo, and make sure you place the photo you just inserted on this design sheet at the bottom of the Layers menu. You can scale it down to fit it on your sheet. Start placing your jewelry pieces on top of the photo. And if you're testing a ring, use the eraser tool to remove a small part of the back band. That way you can see it perfectly wrapped around your finger.
That's it for day 7. I hope you found this live try-on hack helpful and that you can use it in your next customer consultations. If you have any questions, suggestions, or designs you'd like help with, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let's keep leveling up your design skills with JewelKitPro in day 8.